Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reversing video clips on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, drag the video you want to reverse into your timeline. Click the clip in the timeline to select it. You'll know it's selected when there is a yellow box around it. Once it's selected, click the speed icon from the clip editing options at the top right of iMovie. In the speed options for that clip, you can simply enable the reverse checkpoint to reverse your video. When you have enabled reverse, you will know because there will be a backwards play button icon on the clip in the timeline. You can disable the clip reversing the same way, by disabling that checkpoint or by clicking reset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.